So I guess we are here, and also I have netherite armor. Someone actually I was playing with a friend, and he gave me netherite armor. I'm not yet finished with my my nether portal, so I guess that kind of helped me. So I just took it off because I just want to enchant it. Just a bit, just enchant all the armor. Yeah, just enchanted. So yeah, enemies have full protection. So anything now now if I hit anything, I'm just going to take half a heart damage. So yes, that's not bad. So yeah, let's just put on everything. Yeah, put the helmet on. How do I look? You put the whole set of gear on. How do I look? Good? I'm holding up high. Okay. I'm gonna be showing you the entire house. I don't know how you call it. Anyways, we're gonna be showing the entire house and what's in the house, and one change, just one. Okay, so also a few things about house. So first of all, we got a parrot. And actually plenty. In this room we got one. Don't worry, we have plenty. We have plenty of parrots. In this room we got one, and there's something I'm not gonna talk about. But this is the bin. There's there is water, and we're not gonna talk about it. So if we go here, there is a panda. Hi panda. Hi. Unfortunately I don't have any bamboo, so I guess he's not gonna have bamboo today. I actually have oh wait, I forgot to show you. This is the music room. Can you hear the music? I'm not the best at it. I'm not good at the music. I'm not very good at making the music. Yeah, not good. I'm not good. Yeah, you can hear it though, so it does work. And there are actually two music areas. Oh, wait, okay. I forgot to tell you, we added pressure plates so I can just walk into the door before I had to open everything. I got kind of sick of opening it. Anyways, this is the bedroom. There are tons of beds. You don't need this many beds in Minecraft. You know, you don't need them. But I just have them because I want to cut it anyway. Also, animal lovers, I'm sorry about this cow. It's called the milk room. I'm really sorry. I'm even sorry for the cow. Sorry, cow. But I actually locked him in this. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. Okay. Yeah, here, see, I told you there's so many parrots. And they're all coming from a TV. Wait, I forgot. I just forgot. Also, now they're just, apparently, the parrots are stepping on pressure plates. So they can go to any room they want. This is the movie theater room. And this is the part where they show the movie. It's not like a reflector though. Like there's no reflector. Like wouldn't they not have a huge TV? Wouldn't they just have a reflector? Like over here or something like that? Usually they have a reflector. Yeah, why am I going that way? Okay. Yeah. I just took damage also, so also if someone is a vegetarian and they're watching the video, don't worry. That's why I'm eating pies. And also it's not any type of pie, it's just a regular pie. So no meat in this pie. Although okay, I'll just hide this. Okay, that was just a fish, okay? That was a cooked fish, I'm sorry. Okay. But anyways, whoops. Hey, you wanna see the parkour master or what? Hey. You wanna see the parkour master? Oh. Also, this is the parkour room, in case you do not know. And this is where also I kind of keep our valuables. Like I keep all my iron, for example, iron, diamond, emerald, gold. I marked them too. I did not write the full thing. Also, I like how you look. I like how you look when that happens. Okay. Next time, if we get a like on this video, also I want you to subscribe. So yeah, we made this room kind of secret. Yeah. So can you please leave? Can you please subscribe for me, please? Also, if you leave a like on this video, I will make a video in the savannah. Like really, with lions and elephants. I'll try finding it, okay? I haven't really seen the lions and elephants in Minecraft before, so we'll see. We'll see if I can find a map. But anyways, this is the dance room, baby. It looks like a dance room. Yeah, looks like a dance room. Sometimes I do something like when I'm dancing, I'm doing this. Yeah, so I'm just coming this way, then coming to this. So yeah, it looks cool, right? So I'm kind of opening the door on my own, like that. Yeah, let's step on the pressure. Also, there's actually a CD here or disc. Is it a CD or a disc? Did you even get it? Yes. Is it a CD or disc? It's a disc. Okay, so this is a music disc. Can you hear it? Yeah, I don't usually like it a lot. I like it a lot. This is the only thing we can. This is the best one we can get. I want it to be a song actually. But Minecraft, oopsies, Minecraft does not have songs. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, let's just go into create mode. Because, let's make this thing a bit shorter. Fly up, fly up, fly up, yes. Yes! We made it! Into the hall, this is the TV and they're coming from the TV. Wait, why can I not get into the TV? You can get into the TV, guys. Really. What is the problem? There you go. See? I got it. So, in the TV, there are actually buttons. Wait, was I tricked? No, okay. There are actually these, buttons. And it's actually a code. This is where all the, what they call again? Parrots. That's what they call parrots. And the code, this is actually a code. So the code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not a code, I know. If you want a code, don't make your code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? That'll be too easy. Okay, so this is the kitchen. And there's still parrots. Okay. These are all the drawers on top. And this is the part of the kitchen. This is a shopping board. Shop. This is the sink or wash basin, depending on which country or with what you like to call it. I don't know, it's which country or what you like to call it. And this is the stove. This is more the kitchen. And then this is our fridge, and you can open it. Look at that. Look at that. And it's all made of iron, by the way. Yeah. And then over here we have the. Actually, it's an outside room. Also, this is kind of like a. If someone is gonna prank me, unfortunately, if someone's gonna prank me, they can easily just see me. Like, let's say they made a prank here in the kitchen.